Welcome to the Vivri Challenge. Today, you have the opportunity to try an essential nutrition system that will benefit you, your family, and your friends. Our communities are currently facing health issues caused by a lack of nutrition. Vivri's essential nutrition system is the easiest, most delicious, and effective way to give your body what it needs. We want to invite you to be part of the Vivri Challenge that has encouraged thousands of people to live a healthy lifestyle. It is not only about losing weight. It's about feeling great every day, being a role model for your friends, your family, your children, having the energy to do what you love best, and building self-esteem that pushes you to explore your limits and achieve the best version of yourself. Nutrition is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. It is the constant choices you make that lead you to experience a higher level of wellness. In Vivri, we recognize the importance of your life and the impact it has on your family and your community. The Vivri Essential Nutrition System combines the best of science and nature. 3 basic needs are met. The need to eat a complete, healthy, and delicious meal, Shake Me. The need for natural energy, Power Me. The need for an efficient elimination system for your body, Cleanse Me. Congratulations for allowing your body to detox and to remind itself of what healthy feels like. You are ready for the challenge of your life, the Vivri Challenge.